Arav smiled and opened the next chapter.
Omi taught me about resistors, but what makes electricity move?
Ta-da! I'm Voltme. Nothing starts.
A battery superhero had come to teach him.
Arav wasn't in his bedroom anymore.
Wow, where are we?
Welcome to Battery Kingdom!
Why isn't anyone moving?
Watch this.
The Battery Kingdom changed again. The higher the water tower the water, the stronger the pressure.
So it moves because it's being pushed?
Exactly, same way water pressure's water. Look at these colorful balls. They won't move by themselves. Voltage is electrical pressure. It gives electricity the push it needs to move.
If electricity travels around a circuit, how do we know where all the voltage goes?
Excellent question. Today we'll discover one of electricity. It's called Kirchhoff's voltage law. Imagine electricity is running around this circular track. Let's follow one complete lap. Every lap begins with energy from Volta.
Hello, young scientist. Whenever you travel around one complete circuit, every voltage you gain must equal every voltage you lose.
Really?
Let's prove it.
Here is our circuit. I give 12 volts of energy. As electricity passed through me, I used some of that energy. The first resistor used 5 volts. The second resistor used 7 volts. Let's walk around the loop. First, we gain 12 volts. Then we lose 5 volts. Next, we lose 7 volts.
So 12 minus 5 minus 7 equals?
Hooray! That is Kirk. Welcome back to the lab. Let's solve this circuit.
I know. 12 minus 5 equals 7 equals 7. The answer is 7 volts.
Fantastic!
Yahoo!
Think of voltage like climbing a hill. I lift the roller coaster to the top. Each hill uses some of that height. It returns to where it started.
Just like the total voltage around a loop.
Remember, a battery gives energy. Resistors use energy. Around every closed loop, the total voltage always becomes 0. Voltage is like the energy for a journey. The battery gives energy, and every electrical component uses some of it. When you travel around a complete circuit, all the energy gained off's voltage law. The adventure isn't over yet. Subscribe to MindSpark Tunes for more amazing stories, history, and learning adventures. See you next time.